Hi guys, in this video we're going to change the battery for this Peugeot 5008 key fob. I believe the same key fob is used to different models from Peugeot, so the system is the same. What we need for this battery change is a flat-headed screwdriver and a small screwdriver. So there are two options to open this key fob, using this small gap over here, but it's harder to open this key fob in two. Or if we open this key, there is this bigger gap over here. So if we insert the screwdriver over here and move it a little bit, turn it around, it's going to open. That's it. See? Now it's easy. And this is how the interior of this key fob is looking. Let's see the battery, what kind of battery it is. And this is a Sony CR1620 battery. And now we're going to put this again. We're going to install it back. Battery over here, and this one here. Press it. Okay, everything looks nice. And that's it. Quite easy. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.